Hello, and firstly, belated Happy New Year to you. Hope you had a great Christmas and New Year break. My name's Tom. I work for a company called Search Creative. We're based down in Bournemouth and Dorset. We also have offices in Fulham, in West London. We work with loads of small to medium enterprises like yourself all across the UK. What I'd like to do is show you some customers that we've designed websites for, but more importantly, that we've got on page one of Google, give you an idea of how we could do the same for you, no contract, on a month-to-month rolling agreement. Now, for example, if you type in the word Tarmac Driveways London, you're not typing the company name, but if you move to London, you're looking for a tarmac driveway company, you'll see top of Google Maps and top of Google organically twice our customer Range Construction. Now, we've actually designed this website and we've created their Facebook page for them, but more importantly, we've got them top of the page for the keywords that are relevant in their industry. So it's a very clean, crisp, professional site. If you scroll down to the bottom of the website, you will see designed by Search Creative, so you know it's us, one of our clients. If you press the back arrow, again, you'll see the Facebook page also here linking through to Range Construction is top of the page. So it's a great, fantastic place for them to be in. We don't just work with driveway companies in London. Got clients all the way up in Scotland. If you type in Roofer Irvine, again, top of Google Maps twice. Top of the page organically is our client Roof Shield. So they run a roofing company all the way up in Ayrshire in Scotland. Again, you see it's a clean, crisp, professional website. If we scroll to the very bottom, designed by Search Creative, so you know it's one of ours. Again, just moving back to a slightly different industry here. If you were to type in, for example, fencing, Paul Dorset, press search. Top of the maps as well, our client Fenceworks, again, top of the page organically. So what I'm trying to demonstrate here is obviously most customers will search for a product or service, whether it's a plumber, Sparky, fencing company, driveway company on Google via the mobile. Everyone's got an iPhone or Samsung nowadays. So we can put you actually above Yale.com, above Checkatrade, above your competition to drive more quality leads through to your business. So again, you see designed by Search Creative, Fenceworks Dorset. I'll just show you one final client just to kind of give you a proof in the pudding that we can deliver on what we say. Block Paving Bournemouth, top maps here, PD Groundworks, top organically. With this particular client as well, we've actually designed a video for the customer. You'll see here, PD Groundworks.
With over 30 years of experience, we at PD Groundworks specialise in a huge range of terrain-based services, including tarmac, block paving, patios, and more. Plus,
as you can see, it looks slick. It just helps the client get a better conversion rate when people are looking over their site. I guess just finally, just to sort of prove to you we can deliver in our own industry, obviously we're an SEO agency. If you type in SEO Agency West London, we are ourselves top of the maps and top of page one. So what I'd like to do is invite you to get a free website report, a free SEO report. If you simply put your name, website, email address, contact details, myself or one of my team will give you a call, and then we can run through what is working on your website, what isn't, and what we can do to improve the site for you. So as you can see, have a look over our Instagram page, have a look over our Facebook, get a feel of who we are, what we do, how we can work with you. If you want to pop down, have a face-to-face meeting, or we can come out and meet you, give us a call, and we'll look forward to speaking to you guys very, very soon. All the best for now. Thank you.